Here's 3 real-life applications of Auto GPT that will make your life easier.
Number 1, job hunting, and this is something even ChatGPT cannot do. Auto GPT can scan websites for you and then tell you about the best job openings based on your skill set, your experience and your goals. And this is something ChatGPT cannot do because ChatGPT does not allow you to scan websites.
Number 2, personalized travel planning. You can tell Auto GPT about your travel goals. For example, I want to go for an international trip in June with a budget of 80,000 INR. And Auto GPT will research destinations, hotels, activities, transportation, and create a travel plan for your needs.
And number 3, personalized news application. Simply tell Auto GPT what categories of news are you interested in. For example, finance, business, politics, global, etc. And then Auto GPT will create a personalized newsfeed for you every day. So save this reel for later and हम दोनों को follow करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना.